Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch D and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this device. To force restart this watch, we need to press and hold the home button and keep holding it for above 12 seconds. I believe it takes from 12 to 15 seconds. So let's press and hold the home button, keep holding it. And once the screen turns off, keep holding it for a couple more seconds, and then you can release the button and wait until the device is done rebooting. And if you see this message on the screen, it means you need to open the Huawei Health app on the phone that is paired with your watch. Then basically tap on the devices icon and your watch should reconnect to your phone automatically. And it will bring you to the current watch face or the home screen basically. And that's how you force restart this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.